Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. So we have something from Bobbi Boss today, and I want to say thank you to Bobbi Boss for sending this unit. She is yet another take on the Pageboy, as I used to call them back in the day. One of my viewers told me back in the day she called them the Dutch boys. I like that. But anyway, just another one of those nice, short, straight kind of styles. And this one today is pretty unique because I've never seen one with the edges like this. Now, the one I did previously was Magnolia, and I believe she's part of the Super Late Flat series. And I'll put the description, or put the link in the description box, and please get a look at that. But today, this unique girl here, I can't wait to try her because I haven't seen anything like her before. So let me introduce you to Zoey. And Zoey's kind of a showstopper here because she is, even though she's not part of the Super Late Flat series, girlfriend is laying kind of flat there, and she's sleek, which is really nice. But look at those edges. Those really blunt edges, and you've got a little bit of, you've got this lovely clean asymmetry going on with her. The cut on her. And while I'm here, we have some really phenomenal fashion colors. Now when I saw her in the package, there was a part of me that went, only because all I could see was all this blonde coming out of her. And I said, oh no, I can't do all that blonde, y'all. But thankfully, Zoey for me comes in TT2/617. So let me just show her to you. She's not big, but look at that cut. It's like a curtain. And the roots, so glad they gave me dark roots. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But it's not black. It's really this beautiful shade of brown, and the camera doesn't pick it up as well as it could. In real life, it's just this beautiful, warm, chestnutty brown. Very pretty. And then goes into, matter of fact, I don't think my camera is really doing this a lot of justice. In person, it's darker and richer and really quite pretty. I never know how anything's going to look until I get it on, so I can't wait to get it on. But first, I have to show you part, nice transparent part. It's a little long, but you know what? I think for this style, that's probably what you're going to need. But very nicely done. You may not need to pluck that at all. Our lace, I am not seeing baby hairs on this, which is absolutely fine with me. So we're expecting a very easy install. Let's just go ahead and prep her and get her on. Okay, now, to me, it's the little things. And one of the things that, in the past few videos I've done, I've just remarked on how comfortable a cap is, and it just means so much to me that a cap is comfortable. And this just fits like a dream. It's just roomy. And that's just so important because where I live, it just gets really hot and really ugly in the summer. And it's just nice to have something that's not pinching your head off. This is nice. take a little of my foundation. All right, so the good news, bad news. Let's do the bad news first. Bad news is, as I've said 1,003 times before, I'm not one for a lot of hair in my face. Drives me absolutely bonkers. And the texture on this is really silky. So the wind is going to get you on this one. The slightest movement is going to take this guy and just bring him right into your face. You're going to be doing a lot of this throughout the day, moving it and getting it out of the way. The color, this is a personal thing with me, is really beautiful. And again, the camera's not picking it up. It looks very 613-ish probably on the camera. And it is more blonde than I would give it. I wouldn't choose anything quite this blonde. I think the dark roots and maybe a red for me would be absolutely great. I would absolutely love this also in a 1B. You know, just my natural hair color, just would be absolutely beautiful. If you do get this color, you will see just this variation of blonde. It's 613, but there's this lovely amber or caramel that's coming through on this. It's really very attractive. But those are small things. I have to say, overall, I really like this. I like the blunt edges on it. I love, look at that. Look at that. It's statement. You walk in the room and somebody's gonna notice this. This looks really nice. It's unique, it's different. I love the blunt edges and I love this beautiful asymmetry that goes on here. I'm just not a huge fan of the texture, but you've got to have that kind of texture, I'm sure, for this. One of the things I also really like about this unit is that, again, I know this isn't part of the Super Laid Flat series. I mean, I don't think it is. No, it's not. But this is sitting super laid flat. I mean, this is giving you realness. So guys, overall, I really like this unit a lot. I'm gonna kind of really look forward to seeing this or wearing this during the summer. I need to travel with her because she's the kind that you could just pop on real quick, boom, she is done. And you know, I didn't apply any of my Shine and Sleek, which I usually do for sleek styles like this. The light is really coming off on this very nicely. There's a really pretty natural luster to it. I like very, very much. And we may have to go by and get her in a couple of more colors. So what do you guys think? I am just dying to hear what you have to say. And I got kind of ahead of myself. Guys, there's so many other things about her that it's just so wonderful. You got the MetaFresh cap, which is beautiful. There wasn't a lot of lace to have to fuss with, so you could just really prep her really quickly. It does say it has natural baby hair. I haven't found any, but I'm sure you can get them, and I would just like it without it. And that's a 5-inch deep part, guys. and that is HD transparent lace. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. And if you're really looking to get your summer wig collection together, please consider Miss Zoey. She is a really fun, easy to wear unit and comes in some gorgeous colors. So please consider her. And if you're looking for other right out of the box, quick, easy, kind of short length to mid-length units, go to the description box and I'll have a few of my other reviews that I've done in the past, just in case you haven't seen them, and I hope they help. I hope they will help you. Guys, thanks so much for joining me. Stay blessed. Have a wonderful day.